Hi everyone, this is Mike from Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this video, we'll do a quick overview of the air drafts tool and calculations available in every CargoMax. Air drafts are a measurement to determine the distance in air from the waterline up to a point or points on the ship. This is typically used for checking clearances for vessels going under obstructions, such as bridges or cranes, but can also be useful for other cases, such as checking distances for cargo operations. Every CargoMax has air draft calculations available to it, although they may not be configured by default. In this blank condition I'm looking at, I do not have an air draft summary tab available, which means I need to go to the Tools, Air Drafts menu to enable the calculations. In some cases, default points may be defined, or you can press the Use Default Locations button to have CargoMax find the highest points based on the hull profile. In this case, I can see that I have two default points defined, corresponding to the two highest points on this ship. Once I hit OK, I see that I have a new Air Drafts tab in the Summary window, and if I click on that, I can see the simple calculations for the air drafts at those locations. This will take into account the loading and drafts and trim of the vessel to calculate the distance from the waterline up to the points defined. A condition I had previously saved, which contains more detailed air draft points, as in this case I'm interested in knowing the distance from the waterline to the tops of the hatches. For a bulker, this could come in quite handy for loading docks that have fixed structures that you want to check against. Additionally, we can put a limit on the air drafts to automatically add an alarm to the alarm summary if there is a known restriction. If I go back to Tools, Air Drafts, I can enter a limiting value in this field here, let's say 30 meters. When I press OK, CargoMax will update the calculations and update the graphics and add an alarm. We can already see we have a red failure indication in the air draft summary, and if I go to the alarm summary, I can see there is a new alarm there showing a failure for the air draft. Additionally, in my graphics, I can see the limit and the point that is in danger. If I had a bridge that had a 30-meter air draft limit, I would not be able to make it. I would either have to avoid that route or change my loading condition. Let's go back and change the limit to 35 meters. Once I make that update, I can see the alarm is still present, but is now passing, and my graphics are showing no potential obstructions. I would be safe in this condition going through a location with this air draft restriction. Finally, if I want to remove the air draft alarm, I go back to my air draft options and simply enter 0 in the restriction. Once I hit OK, that will remove the alarm in the evaluation. My air draft summary will still be visible, but no evaluation will be performed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this learning video. For more information, please visit us at www.herbert-abs.com or email us at info@herbert-abs.com.